Welcome to week 3 of our Here to Help campaign. This week we'll be hearing from Elise and her advice on vehicle selection when working with mobile operations. Elise has been a TTM trainer for the past 7 years, and she's also been heavily involved in helping deliver practical training to the industry through sharing her experiences of being an on-road practitioner herself. Over to Elise.
Hi everyone, today I'm at the Alliance Yard and I'll be sharing some advice with you around vehicle selection when it comes to installation and removal procedures on level 1 roads. There's often some confusion around the combination of vehicles used for certain operations and if there's any flexibility around omitting any of them. Firstly, we're going to take a look at the 4 types of vehicles that are typically used in mobile operations. Work vehicle. This will be your main vehicle that holds your equipment and plant required. Shadow vehicle. Used as protection for workers operating off the back of the work vehicle or in the live lane. Tail pilot. This vehicle gives advanced warning to road users that there is an operation ahead. Lead pilot. This vehicle gives advanced warning to road users approaching from the opposite direction. So here's a scenario where only a work vehicle is required and the permanent speed limit is less than 65 km. For a small work site where there is minimal gear required, for example, a shoulder closure or footpath diversions, and labourers will not be operating off the back of the work vehicle, and the work vehicle can get completely clear of the live lane, meaning overtaking traffic does not cross the centre line or enter the flush median. So what would change to warrant adding a shadow vehicle to this operation? For larger work sites where there are multiple approaches to sign up, large amounts of delineation or centreline installation required, for example, a manual traffic control, or lane diversions, which would require labourers to work off the back of a work vehicle, or the work vehicle cannot get completely clear of the live lane and passing traffic is forced to cross the centre line or enter the flush median. Higher speed means greater risk. So let's take a look at the over 65k category where tail pilots and lead pilots are more commonly used. A tail pilot is commonly used where the work vehicle and shadow vehicle cannot get completely clear of the live lane and passing traffic is forced across the centre line or to enter the flush median. Or there is no clear sight distance to the operation. A lead pilot is commonly used where the forward clear sight distance to the work vehicle that is situated on the live lane cannot be achieved and the operation is going to cover a distance greater than 1 kilometre. If you have any questions regarding vehicle selection around mobile operations, make sure to get in touch with the Parallaxx team. We're more than happy to assist.
We hope this third video in our Here to Help series has been informative and cleared up any possible confusion surrounding vehicle selection on level 1 roads. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with Parallaxx. As always, our team are here to help. Until next time, ka kite.